All right, so this is the first video in a series on building a house here. A couple of things. So we're at day 3. Had a little bit of maybe a 2-week delay because of some vacation, as well as a hurricane making the quarry really wet, and so it took forever to get backfill. So here I'm in Daytona area of Florida, and it's definitely different than building back in Oregon. But you can see here, first day, what we did was came in and scraped the sod off, and then we came in, that was a couple hours on the first day, and then we came in, set up forms and ran it and stuff, left the garage open here so that the truck could get in there to bring backfill. So we got that. I calculated for 3 loads, it was about 54 yards of backfill to get it to where we had 4 inches down for the slab, and then we got footings and stuff also. But this is where we're at today. So to calculate yardage, basically you do length times width times height, and so this was, say, 30 feet wide and 60 feet deep. Those aren't exact measurements. I think maybe it's only 40 or 50 feet deep. And there's a cutout over here, and then I needed roughly 8 inches. So you times length times width times height, all in feet. 8 inches is 0.67. So that came out to, I don't know, maybe 50 or 48 or something like that, and I just got 54 yards. A little bit of extra, as well as you end up losing about 5 to 10% for compaction. So anyhow, on the form boards here, you know, you run a string. I had this one tug and pinned, so a surveyor came out and put the exact corners of where everything needs to be, as far as the corners of the house foundation portion. I always like putting up a little fence as far as keeping people out of the job site, and just kind of a little more security, and eventually we'll obviously upgrade that down the road to a real vinyl fence. So anyhow, if you could like the video, subscribe, keep looking. I'll probably do a video every maybe once a week or so, just updating and seeing the progress of where we're at. If you have any questions or anything, make sure you put those in there, and I do respond to all those and everything. So I hope you have a blessed day. All right, so here we are at the end of day, let's call it end of day 3. You can see we got the grading mostly done. We'll take a plate compactor and run over everything, all the footings all dug out. It's next step. And I put right there, you can see a hole, and that's just a pier pad for a beam that's going to be running across in the ceiling. So typically you want, most slabs for homes are 4 inches thick. So that means top of your form, 4 inches below that is grade for all of the fill in the middle. Next step is tomorrow we'll go and put all of the plumbing, the underfloor plumbing in. We got a bathroom and a laundry room over here, and then another getting dizzy here another bathroom going over here somewhere. So we'll get those all put in, and we'll have some more videos. I'm short just a little bit of fill. You can see my son there on the tractor, and hope you guys have a blessed day. If you have any questions or anything, make sure you post those in the comments. I do respond to those. And then if you could like, subscribe, I always appreciate that, and hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.